How do mutation observers react to live JavaScript DOM changes? Have you ever wondered how web applications respond so quickly to changes on the page? One of the key players in this process is the Mutation Observer. Let's break down how these observers work and how they react to live changes in the document object model tree. Mutation observers are a powerful feature in JavaScript that allow developers to watch for changes in the DOM tree. They can detect when nodes are added or removed, when attributes change, or when text content is updated. This means that as soon as something changes in the DOM, the Mutation Observer is ready to react. To create a Mutation Observer, you start by making a new Mutation Observer object and providing it with a callback function. This callback function is what gets executed whenever the observed DOM node or subtree experiences changes that match what you want to track. You then attach this observer to a specific target DOM node using the observe method. Here, you can specify what types of changes you want to monitor, such as additions or removals of child nodes, changes to attributes, or modifications to character data. When JavaScript makes changes to the DOM, like adding new elements or modifying existing ones, the Mutation Observer queues these changes. Instead of reacting immediately, it batches them together and processes them asynchronously. This is a big improvement over older methods, which could slow down the performance of your web application by reacting synchronously. Inside the callback function, you receive a list of MutationRecord objects. Each record describes the type of change that occurred, the nodes affected, and additional details like the name of the attribute that changed or its previous value. This allows developers to respond accurately to updates in the DOM, whether that means updating the user interface, validating from inputs in real time, or loading new content seamlessly. Another great feature of Mutation Observers is that they allow you to stop observing when you no longer need to track changes. This helps prevent unnecessary processing and keeps your application running smoothly. You can also use the takeRecords method to retrieve any pending mutation records immediately. From a web development perspective, mutation observers are essential for efficiently managing dynamic changes in the DOM. They help developers create responsive and interactive web applications that react instantly to updates made by JavaScript. By using mutation observers, you can ensure that your application remains fast and user-friendly, even as the content changes in real time. So, next time you see a web application that reacts quickly to your actions, remember that mutation observers are likely working behind the scenes to make it all happen.